Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that gold is showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly perspective, what I think that gold is a long-term bearish market. If you look at this monthly resistance, we see that gold from this liquidity trigger creating an all-time high created this monthly bearish candle that has engulfed the previous monthly narrow green candle completely to the upside and to the downside, giving a very high probability for gold to drop further. Now as a result, previous months we have seen a monthly middleman. This monthly middleman has almost similar wick at the top and bottom, and this monthly candle is another bearish continuation pattern. As a result, this month so far we have seen that gold, as soon as market open, initially has gone up and also has come back down, tested the both sides of this previous monthly candle. What I think that now, as you can see, the price already has created a monthly high, and as we can expect gold to drop further longer term perspective to the downside, what I think that any kind of pullback to the upside bigger picture will give us a very high probability for gold to drop back towards the downside. If we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that previous week there is a narrower candle. Now if we look at this candle on the weekly, we see that this is an effort from the buyers after this previous weekly doji. This week we saw gold has created a weak candle that has a long wick at the top. Also highly likely we could see the prices going up and fill that long week. I think that this week we might see that gold is going up, breaking this weekly high, and then coming back down again to test the lower part of this weekly candle. So let's see now on the daily how we can relate this information. Now from the daily perspective, last year of trading week, a green candle which has also has a long wick at the top, and also it has crossed the daily 20 EMA. Now what we see from this information is that gold created a lower high on the daily, and also there is a green body. What I think that at some point we could see another retest of this level. I think that gold might even remain lower high, and we could see further drop again, as we see there is an imbalance in that zone on the daily, and also there is an imbalance in that area. We might see this week gold is ranging in between this resistance and support level. So let's see on the lower time frame how we can find trading opportunity around this. Now from the intraday perspective, we saw that there is an impulse during the NFP. This is the move, and so far we have seen a correction, and as soon as the price is coming to the Fibonacci level along this 20 EMA, we see the bulls are buying this market. Now what I think that, as you can see, this current sessions, this is the 4-hour candle which is closing 1.5 hour later. If we see that gold is coming back down to the support level, closing as a doji or any kind of candle that has respected this support level, I think that gold might go up again to feel that imbalance in that zone. To understand it clearly, if we look at the 1 hour chart, what we see that from this 1 hour perspective, this is the impulse that has happened during the NFP release, and I think that gold might come back down again to the support level today, and from that zone we could see that gold is bouncing back to the upside, and this is where I will be waiting for a trading opportunity on the lower time frame for this short-term bullish move. As we see that with this local channel, gold has broken this 1 hour channel to the downside, has grabbed liquidity, has gone back to the channel. We could see a retest of this support here, and then we can expect a continuation to the upside on the lower time frame. And what I think longer term perspective from 1 hour chart, what we see that gold might be creating a pattern, a semicircular pattern. We're respecting this resistance zone, and we could see that gold is slowly turning back down to this support level. Now, this is where I will be waiting for a potential trading opportunity along this zone. As soon as we will see that gold has come back down in this support level, we'll consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Let me know which way you are trading gold. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.